make it all black and gray.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We outside.
Yeah.
Got the lineup, 4 of us. You know what I'm saying? Daytona Scat. We got Miles C300. Y'all know what that is. I got mine. We got Dave sitting in the back. Yes, sir. Well, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to this little meet. Shout out to Charles. Appreciate you, man. See you when I get there.
I don't want to get in there and then have every Amazon.
Old school's out here clean, boy. We outside though. Damn, boy. That shit crazy. This shit. Look at that Z06. This shit clean as shit.
The guy you hopped out to pick up my car.
That's all I want my Mustang to do right there. Oh my gosh. I only got 160 on it. That shit's hot.
Cars and beer!
Beautiful, man. That shit's fire, man. Damn. Got the trick flow kit on this drum. Trick flow kit with the supercharger in it. Woo! I ain't even peeped that little piece of equipment. Maybe tucked right away. The stick shift, boy. Real power. Mustang clean too.
Yo, look at the Ford Maverick.
Ford Maverick?
Ford Maverick. Yo.
Damn. Baby, look at popcorn. That's the you definitely did. Jeez, that motherfucker clean, boy. And Mach 1, that's the old school. Damn, bro, that carburetor is crazy. Sheesh.
I can see you in this, bro.
Me?
Yeah, bro. I can see you just chilling.
God damn. This joint back. Hey, you think it's on bags? Hell yeah. This joint crazy.
This shit gotta be on bags. I gotta go to the back.
This joint crazy. I'm hot.
So you know this shit.
This joint crazy.
We can get on the Mark IV. Yeah, this is the Mark IV.
Damn, look at the gauge on top of the hood.
I was say these are like 87, 88, right? I was saying the ones that people love are like 92, right? Or 97. I'm gonna keep it in.
Yeah, this shit probably pushing some power, bro. There's a lot of people here, y'all. And when I'm already hot, I'm hot. Yeah, them over there.
For sale, hit them up.
Yeah, we outside.
215.
Yo, the antique, shit's crazy, bro. Yeah, he said he put the camera down for the day. That's LS, bro. LS the wave. LS the world. Damn, bro.
I like how he did all black.
Yeah, he did all black. That shit was fire.
I'll touch it anymore.
This shit is so clean, yo. So clean. This shit is nice, man. This is badass. This your car here? No? Damn, man. Bro, this is so clean. I need this. I need my Mustang back. It smells real new in there. This is definitely crazy, bro. What you think, Miles? Bro.
If you wanted to trade the 300,
I'm probably gonna end the video here, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. It's mad loud here, and there's too many people for every